Hi, I'm Bo. I'm a paper-based artist. I make botanical blueprints with real flowers or plants in the sun. You can find me at Melrose Trading Post with some of my prints, small original work, and also I run cyanotype sunprint workshop at Melrose Trading Post, so you can come join me and make some prints on your own.
So I've made my design here. I've put a few leaves and a couple small flowers here. The first design, it's important to keep it simple.
This is the paper with the solution on. So you want to transfer the design to the paper.
There we go.
Yeah, okay. That's fast.
So now that my design is laid out on the treated paper, I'm taking it over here to this table so that it can be exposed to the sun and it starts developing. This
A lot of water and with just a few drops of hydrogen peroxide.
Okay.
This will fasten the oxidization process.
Okay.
Really.
Okay, cool. Woo.
And that's how you get a blueprint.
All right, here's my print. So cool. If you want to make one yourself, make sure you book in advance and it'll get you free entry into the market.